Are you trying to improve your English, but grammar feels boring and vocabulary is too much to remember? What if you could learn English by simply listening to a story? In this video, you'll learn English naturally through a short and powerful story. You'll improve your vocabulary, listening skills, and sentence structure without even realizing it. So put on your headphones, relax, and let this story teach you something about English and about life. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young boy named Armin. He was curious, kind, and always full of questions. Armin loved to talk. He talked at school, at home, even in the market. People liked him, but sometimes they wished he would just listen. One day, Armin's grandfather, a wise old man, took him to the nearby hills. They sat under a tree and watched the sunset. After a while, Armin asked, "Grandfather, why are you so quiet all the time?" The old man smiled and said, "Because silence teaches us things that words cannot." Armin didn't understand. He was used to speaking, not sitting quietly. The next day, his grandfather gave him a challenge. He said, "Armin, for one whole day, speak only when it's truly necessary." Armin laughed. That's easy. But soon, he realized it wasn't. At school, he wanted to tell his friend about his dream. But he stopped and thought, is it really necessary? In the evening, his sister broke his toy. He wanted to shout, but he paused and stayed silent. That night, his mother said, "You were so calm today. What happened?" Armin replied with a smile, "I was learning the power of silence." Days passed, and Armin began to notice changes. He listened more. He understood others better. People started to come to him for advice. He was still the same boy, but wiser. Years later, Armin became a teacher. His students loved him, not just for his words, but for the peace he carried. He had learned that silence is not empty. It is full of answers. Did you enjoy the story? Every sentence you just heard helped you learn how real English sounds, the rhythm, the words, the feelings. And here's today's life lesson. Silence is not weakness. Sometimes, the most powerful response is no response. Listening can be more powerful than speaking. And when you listen to stories like this, you don't just grow wiser. You grow fluent. If you want more stories like this to improve your English, subscribe now. And remember, the more you listen, the better you speak.